Hi everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to take full control of your document's appearance by customizing the paper size and layout. Whether you need a different size for a specific document or want to change the entire design style, EasyBilling makes it simple. Let's get right to it. To set your paper size and layout, start from the main screen of EasyBilling. Go up to the top menu, click on Customize Document, and then select Paper Size and Layout. This will open a new settings window. Let's take a quick look around. On the left-hand side, you can choose from different types of documents, like quotation, invoice, and all the others. This is powerful because it lets you set unique paper sizes and layouts for each specific document type. If you want to apply the same settings to all your documents to keep everything consistent, you can simply check the box at the top. Now, look over to the right. This is the preview pane. As we make changes, you'll see a live preview of how your document looks, which is extremely helpful. First, let's look at paper size. EasyBilling offers 4 common sizes to choose from: A4, 5, letter, and legal. You can simply select a document type on the left, let's say invoice, and then choose the paper size you need. The preview pane instantly adjusts to show you how it will fit. Let's set the paper size as A4 here. Now for the fun part, the design. In addition to paper size, you can also choose between 3 different document layouts: modern, basic, and table. Let's look at each one. First, let's select modern. As you can see in the preview, this is a contemporary and polished design. It features subtle color shading and clean lines, making it perfect for businesses that want a vibrant, modern look. This is our most popular choice. Next, let's click on Basic. This layout is minimalist and very straightforward. It focuses on clean lines with absolutely no shading, providing a professional, traditional, and very clear style. Finally, let's try Table. This is a classic and structured layout that presents your document in a traditional, tabular format. This design is ideal if you have detailed invoices or bills and need a very organized presentation for all your line items. Once you've made your selections, just click the Save button to apply the changes. And just a quick tip, these layouts are a great starting point. If you want to further customize the document colors, you can go to the menu Customize Document and select Document Color. It allows you to set the exact text color and shading color for different parts of your document. And that's it. That's how you customize your paper size and document layout in EasyBilling. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.